sa kasaulugan sa International Women's Day, tukiyon tama kapuso ang kamahinungdanon ni ining adlaw alang kanatong kababayan-an. With us this morning, Doctor of Anthropology ug sakop sa Philippine Commission on Women, Dr. Leni Ocasiones. Maayong buntag, Miss Leni Ocasiones, and welcome sa ato ang programa.
May buntag sa Cecil, ug maayong buntag sa tanang nagtanaw nato karon.
First of all, Miss Leni, Happy International Women's Day!
Yes, we need to celebrate, no, Cecil, ug sa kauban natong mga kababayan nga anaa nagtanaw karon nato. Sa tibuok kababayan ang mga Pilipina, mga padayon nga nakigbisog sa adlaw-adlaw.
Sakto, dasig lang tang mga Pinay, ilabi na yung panahon na. Ma'am Leni, with this year's celebration, unsa ang mga programa nga atong giandam alang sa Women's Month karong tuiga?
It's only once a year that we are given this opportunity, no, nga ang ato ang mga issues isip kababayan-an, no, igihatagan og importansya, no. So we would like to take advantage of that opportunity. So all around Cebu, where we are based in Cebu, no. So we are having a lot of mga gatherings, mga women's assemblies, no, in many barangays. And this coming March 17, we're also going to have an all-women leaders meeting to really check out, no, on the situations of our women, especially here in the province of Cebu.
Para sa impormasyon sa tanan, Miss Leni, unsa jud ang tuyo ni ining pagsaulog nato sa Women's Month matag Marso?
Ang International Women's Day gideklara nga Women's Day because naa ang grabe paghihapon nga discrimination, especially sa mga kababayan nga mga workers. And we see them right now, no, in malls, the sales girls still not given the just wages, the kanang humane working conditions. No, it's still there, and the violence is just increasing every year. No, and that's something that we feel that even though they say women have come a long way, there's actually still so much to do, so much to struggle for para nga mabago nato ang atong katilingban ug mahimo siyang mas friendly.
Ug karong new normal na, Miss Leni, unsa kahang mga programa nga angay natong palambuon diin makabenepisyo gayud ang kababayan-an?
We would like to encourage that we all have to help each other make services a lot more accessible to women, especially katong mga health services, especially katong mga services where we can give them support when it comes to standing up for their rights, no, kay there were some reported cases manggod nga ikuan sila, ibalibaran sila sa ilang barangay, umureklamo sila about domestic violence or about kanang mga stalking because we prioritize ang COVID. No, let's please try to understand that this is equally a very important issue for the women. No? So kinsa pa man ang magmatuto sa ato ang mga kabataan o sa tibok katawhan kung atong pasagdan ang atong mga kababayan nga padayon nga maka-experience o violence. I would like to remind these women nga atong pagpakahilom magsilbi nga a way to actually encourage these perpetrators to continue the violence. So please speak out, ask help. No, we have a lot of non-government organizations, women's organizations such as Gabriela that you can really go to. We even have the SWD also and a lot more mga support groups that you can really come to.
O para sa mga younger generation o sa ato ang mga isig babay, Miss Leni, unsa imong gustong ibilin nga mensahe para kanato tanan?
You have to believe in yourself and don't ever let people make you think that you are small, that you are not worthy of respect, no, because you are just like men. You are a human being and you have all the rights, no, that make you human, and don't ever let anyone trample that rights. Pinakauna nga mo depensa sa imong kaugalingon mao ikaw.
Thank you so much, Miss Leni, sa imong makapadasig nga mensahe karong buntaga.
Thank you so much, Miss Cecil, ug padayon GMA Regional TV.